Hey guys, this is Simply Satisfied, and I'm gonna play the ape name. Will you press the red button or maybe the button? So here's the first question. Will you press the button? You can now make anything from nothing, but you suffer immense pain whenever you form something. No pain, no gain, baby. Yeah. Okay. Hell yeah. 71% said yes. Okay. Next question. You can change the color of your hair or the color of your eyes at will, but they both have to be the same constantly. If I want my hair blonde, that means my eye is blonde too. It's pretty awesome too. Are you gonna answer yes? Yeah, yes, you guys. It's like that neighborhood bro said yes. 74%, yeah. The next question. You get the best job in the world, but you don't get paid. What's the best job in the You get the best job in the world. So here I searched the best job in the world. The fuck was this? Dream job next exit.
Bruh.
What else? I love my
Bruh.
job. Yeah, nothing else here.
Bruh.
So I'm back to the app. You get the best job in the world, but you don't get paid. No, I will never be. Yes, 59% said no, never. No. Okay, next. You become good at any type of art you choose, but creating said art is the most boring thing you have ever done in your life, enough to make you physically sick. I love, but I love mixed martial art. I would say no. I love art. Hell yeah. Fuck this. Yeah. 60% said no, 40% yes. Next question. Your favorite NHL team wins the Stanley Cup, but their captain drops the cup when he leaves it. Next question. You become immortal. You will not age, and if you are killed, you will not die while all your wounds are healed. Yeah, but you will still feel the pain. I must feel the pain because no pain, no gain. Is it true, guys? Guys, yes, yes, yes. 69% said yes. Yeah. A universal language replaces all languages of the world, but this language is Chinese. Learning language is learning Chinese language will be awesome too. Chinese language is also good too. So I would say yes. Yeah. 50%. 54% said yes. Next question. Have all 7 Harry Potter's books, but you cannot read. It's not worth it, I guess. So I'll say no. Yes. Why this fucking advertisement always bothering? Yes, 27 said yes. Those are dumb people. Okay, last question. You can go into your favorite games, TV shows, but you have to be your least favorite character. Okay, guys, there's another one I will answer. Yes, you can eat anything you want in 5 minutes or less, but you are not allowed to read Homestuck ever again. I kinda like read science book. Homestuck. Science book is more better, so yes. Hell yes. 85% said yes. So guys, this is all for the episode, and I'm simply satisfied and keep it simple.